Understanding consumer behavior and psychology. Let's crack the case of consumer behavior together. Imagine this: you are me, a marketing detective extraordinaire, clad in a classic trench coat and fedora. But instead of lurking in the shadows, we're waltzing right into the heart of consumer behavior, ready to decode the mysteries of why people buy, what makes them tick, and the hidden desires that drive their decisions. Our first case: a sustainability-focused fashion brand with a mission to revolutionize the way people dress. They've got the style, the eco-friendly materials, and the potential to change the world for the better. But before they strut down the runway, we need to understand what makes their ideal customer tick. Is it about looking trendy while staying eco-conscious? Maybe it's about finding practical, everyday pieces that don't cost the earth literally. Perhaps their target audience craves clothing made with recycled materials and ethically sourced fabrics. By getting inside the heads of these potential customers, we can unlock the secrets to crafting irresistible marketing campaigns. Now, let's say you're a fitness guru passionate about helping people reach their health and wellness goals. You know everyone wants to get in shape, but what truly motivates them to lace up their sneakers? Is it the desire to sculpt a beach-ready bod? Maybe it's about feeling energized and confident throughout the day. Perhaps some crave the endorphin rush and stress relief that comes with a good workout. Understanding these psychological factors is key to creating targeted marketing messages that resonate with your ideal client. Here's the beauty of it all: psychology is like the Rosetta Stone of consumer behavior. It helps us decipher the mental processes behind people's decisions. By understanding how they think, feel, and behave, we can craft marketing messages, product features, and app experiences that truly connect. Remember all that detective work we did before? The market research that unveiled your target audience, their needs and interests? The competitor analysis that exposed your rival strengths and weaknesses? The segmentation that helped us divide your audience into manageable groups? Now, we combine it all with the power of consumer psychology to create marketing campaigns that are pure marketing magic. Imagine crafting messages that speak directly to their deepest desires and motivations. Imagine developing products and services that solve their real-world problems and exceed their expectations. We can even create a customer experience that feels like it was tailor-made just for them. But becoming a master marketing detective isn't just about intuition and a keen eye. We've got a whole arsenal of cutting-edge tools at our disposal. Social media listening tools, think Hootsuite or Sprout Social. These are our virtual bugging devices, allowing us to eavesdrop on what people are saying about your brand, products, or services on social media. We can identify trends, understand customer sentiment, and gather valuable insights, all without raising any eyebrows. Customer surveys, these are like conducting one-on-one interrogations with a large sample size. We can ask targeted questions, gather data about demographics, psychographics, and behaviors, and use this intel to create buyer personas and develop laser-focused marketing campaigns. A/B testing, this is where we get to play mad scientist. We can experiment with different marketing messages, product features, or app designs to see which ones resonate best with your audience. It's like running two different marketing campaigns simultaneously, constantly optimizing and refining our approach for maximum impact. Hero marketing, imagine having a peek inside people's brains while they interact with your marketing materials. That's the power of neuromarketing techniques like eye tracking and brain scans. We can see how people react to your messages and products on a subconscious level, allowing us to create even more engaging and effective marketing campaigns. Artificial intelligence, AI, we're not talking about robots taking over marketing just yet. AI tools are like our superpowered assistants, helping us analyze mountains of customer data, identify hidden patterns, and even predict future behavior. This allows us to personalize your marketing messages to an incredible degree, creating a truly unique and unforgettable customer experience. By wielding these tools and techniques, we can unlock the hidden desires of your target audience and craft marketing campaigns that are guaranteed to achieve your goals. Remember, consumer behavior and psychology are complex beasts, but with dedication and a thirst for knowledge, we can crack the code and unlock marketing success. Here are some final words of wisdom from your friendly neighborhood marketing detective. Stay on top of the latest trends. Consumer behavior and psychology are like a living organism, constantly adapting and evolving. Think of it like keeping up with the latest fashion trends. One minute, everyone's rocking skinny jeans. The next, it's all about wide leg flares. The same goes for consumer behavior. New technologies emerge, social media platforms shift, and cultural movements take hold, all of which can impact how people think, feel, and buy. Your job as a marketing detective is to be a trend watcher, attending industry conferences, subscribing to marketing publications, and following thought leaders who can give you a glimpse into the future of consumer behavior. Curiosity is key. Don't be afraid to ask questions and explore new ideas. Think of yourself as Sherlock Holmes, piecing together the puzzle of your target audience. Don't just rely on traditional market research methods. Get creative. Host online forums or social media live streams where you can directly engage with your audience and ask them about their motivations, needs, and pain points. Run a B test with different marketing messages or product features to see which ones resonate best. The more you experiment and ask questions, the deeper you'll understand the why behind your audience's behavior. Embrace the power of storytelling. Stories have an incredible ability to connect with people on an emotional level, making your marketing messages more memorable and impactful. People don't connect with facts and figures, they connect with emotions. Think about the most memorable commercials you've ever seen. Chances are, they weren't just pushing a product, they were telling a story. Craft narratives that tap into your audience's desires, fears, and aspirations. Make them laugh, cry, or feel empowered. When you connect with them on an emotional level, your marketing message becomes more than just words on a screen. It becomes an experience they won't forget. Authenticity is everything in a world saturated with marketing messages. People crave genuine connections. Consumers can smell a phony message a mile away. Be transparent about your brand's values and mission. Showcase the real people behind your company. Use social media to build genuine relationships with your audience, not just push sales pitches. Authenticity builds trust, and trust is the foundation of any successful marketing campaign. Cultural sensitivity matters. If you're targeting a global audience, remember that cultural nuances can make a big difference. What resonates in one culture might be offensive in another. Before launching a marketing campaign in a new market, take the time to understand the cultural norms, values, and beliefs of your target audience. Adapt your message and visuals to be culturally relevant, avoiding any potential misunderstandings. Remember, a little cultural sensitivity goes a long way in building a positive brand reputation on the global stage. Data is your friend, numbers don't lie. Use data analytics to track the performance of your marketing campaigns, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions that lead to success. In the past, marketing was often a guessing game, but in today's data-driven world, we have access to a wealth of information about our target audience and the effectiveness of our marketing efforts. Use analytics tools to track website traffic, social media engagement, and conversion rates. Analyze this data to see what's working and what's not. Then use your insights to refine your marketing strategies and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Experimentation is key. Don't be afraid to try new things. Experiment with different marketing strategies, tactics, and creative approaches to see what works best for your audience. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to marketing. What works for one brand might not work for another. The key is to be willing to experiment and learn from your experiences. Test different headlines for your blog posts, try out new ad formats on social media, or run A/B tests for your email marketing campaigns. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover what truly resonates with your audience. Continuous learning is essential. The world of marketing is ever changing. So commit to continuous learning and professional development. The marketing landscape is constantly evolving with new technologies, platforms, and trends emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to be a lifelong learner. Take online courses, attend webinars, and read industry publications to keep your marketing skills sharp. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-changing world of marketing. Passion fuels success. If you're not passionate about your brand and your marketing efforts, it will show. Consumers can sense a lack of enthusiasm from a mile away. If you don't truly believe in what you're selling, your audience won't either. Audience. Bring your passion to every aspect of your marketing, from crafting your messaging to creating your visuals to interacting with your audience. Your enthusiasm will be contagious, and it will help you build a loyal following of customers who love your brand. Embrace the challenges, enjoy the process, and never stop learning. With dedication, creativity, and a deep understanding of consumer behavior and psychology, you'll unlock the secrets to marketing success and achieve your goals. Here are some additional tips for becoming a marketing detective extraordinaire. Develop a deep understanding of your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs, wants, and pain points? What motivates them? What are their buying habits? The more you know about your audience, the better you'll be able to tailor your marketing messages and strategies to them. Create a buyer persona. A buyer persona is a fictional representation of your ideal customer. It's a detailed profile that includes their demographics, psychographics, and behaviors. Buyer personas can help you stay focused on your target audience and make sure your marketing efforts are relevant to them. Set clear marketing goals. What do you want to achieve with your marketing efforts? Are you looking to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive sales? Having clear goals will help you measure the success of your campaigns and make informed decisions about your marketing strategy. Develop a strong brand identity. Your brand identity is what makes your brand unique and memorable. It includes your brand voice, messaging, and visual identity. A strong brand identity will help you attract and retain customers. Create high-quality content. Content is king in the marketing world. Create valuable, informative, and engaging content that will attract your target audience and establish your brand as a thought leader. Promote your content. Once you've created great content, you need to get it in front of your target audience. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to promote your content. Track your results and make adjustments. It's important to track the results of your marketing campaigns so you can see what's working and what's not. Use analytics tools to measure your progress and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. Stay up to date on the latest marketing trends. The marketing landscape is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and create innovative marketing campaigns. Be patient, and persistent marketing is not a quick fix. It takes time, effort, and patience to build a successful marketing campaign. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep at it, and you will eventually achieve your goals. Remember, becoming a master marketing detective is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, learn from your experiences, and never stop striving to improve your marketing skills. With dedication and perseverance, you'll unlock the secrets to marketing success and achieve your goals.